Has your bathroom been tanked? Designing your dream bathroom? Choosing the perfect tiles, vanities, tapware, and finishes? But wait, have you thought about the most important part? Waterproofing. Because if your bathroom leaks, get ready for a nightmare. Costly repairs, ripped up tiles that you'll never match again, and the damage that ruins your beautiful space. Did you know waterproofing failures rank in the top 3 building insurance claims every single year? With bathrooms costing $30,000 or more, it's like setting aside $60 a week for when your bathroom fails. That's crazy, right? So what's causing all these failures? Movement. Homes are built to continuously move, but waterproofing can only flex where bond breakers are installed, which is usually around the perimeter, the wall-to-wall junction, and the joints in the large sheets. But if movement occurs outside these specific areas, the waterproofing is directly installed to the surface and cannot stretch, creating failures. Traditional waterproofing membranes just can't keep up, especially if you're using framed construction. Most membranes are adhered to the surface. When the house moves over time, they crack. Not to mention standard waterproofing only comes with a 10-year warranty. But what if your waterproofing wasn't adhered? No adhesion, no failure. Meet the game changer, Tank Loose Laid Liner. Up to a 25-year warranty, no more worrying about leaks. Seamless protection, just like a pool liner. No joins, no weak spots. Instant installation, no drying time, no delays. DIY or supply and install. Fast, easy, reliable. Cost effective. From just $25 per metre extra, you can change your warranty from 10 years to 25. Definitely worth it. You can always change your bathroom fittings, but you only get one go at doing your membrane correctly. It's time to future-proof your designer bathroom. Call us today and get your bathroom tanked. Because waterproofing should last, not fail. Offering waterproofing and tiling services.